Okay. Okay. Good evening, basketball fans. We're now po sa ating po Saturday live action today sa ating aviation-friendly dub as a Flying League. We're here live right now po sa ating pong usual venue sa may gawing Abu Mur area, Newton International Academy. Good evening po dyan po sa iyo pala po kasi Abin G Vlog si Ju. Now you're here now live po tayo ngayon po sa ating first game for tonight. Ito po yan, CAS versus Airport United. Followed by of course sa ating second game po natin sa ating Saturday night live po natin is Hub and the Sky Team. Okay, ito na, bugbugan po ito. Magandang matik kumulaban po ito. For information po, ito po nagtapat po nung nakarang season number 4 championships. Yan. At alam po yun po, dahil rest is history po. Both teams po nagsimula po at even pace until may pumutok na po sa CAS and eventually capturing the crown ng season 4 po ng Aviation Friendly dubbed as the Flying League. Okay, ito muna po tayo yun. This is your Aviation Friendly dub as a Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Yan po yung Team LBC Harlem Padra and Thread the Needles. Sama po natin po dyan ang SPB Ara and PSB Basketball League. And of course, ito po ang ating mga participating teams po para po sa season number 5. Cabin Line, Boleros, Pure Towers, Airport United, Freighters, CAS, The Hub, and of course, Sky Team, nandiyo pang Oryx, Inflights, and Mechanicos. This is now the eliminations. First game for tonight now. Nope. First game for tonight po is from CAS versus Airport United. Followed up by, of course, the Sky Team versus the Hub Lounge. Pero minga, dito muna po tayo ngayon. CAS versus Airport United. Budin po siya mula kasi Arvin G Vlog si Ju. Simulan po ngayon po ang warm-up po ngayon. Okay, playing blue po, yan pong Airport United versus playing red and black combination, yan po ang Team CAS. Green, isa rin po lang sa Arvin G Vlog si Ju. First quarter matchup now is underway now between CAS versus Airport United. Nawas, thank you pala po sa ating pang pull-up referees po ng SPB Ara for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. First game for tonight between CAS versus Airport United on the way. And of course, meron po tayo din mga anghel po na nasa lupa po ngayon. Ito po sila. Mga angels po ngayon. Yan. Mga angels po sila po. Descended upon us. Thank you very much po. Ma'am, excuse me. Stewardess niyo? Stewardess? Flight stewardess? Lumilipad o? May pakpak o wala? Lumilipad din. Okay, yan. Tama pala. Angels have na already descended upon us talaga. Okay. Good morning po dyan. Good morning, good afternoon po dyan. First game for tonight po ngayon po between CAS versus Airport United. Followed up by, of course, nandiyan po dyan ang Sky Team versus the Hub. Okay, first quarter matchup now. Sino-sino po sila? Calling. First quarter matchup. First quarter po natin. Sino po? Aba, mahihain. Hoy! First quarter po. First quarter. First quarter matchup na. First quarter. Sino po dyan? Wala. Pakap na tayo. Wala itong maglalaro eh. Okay, hera. Okay na. Binobombahan po lang yata po. Okay.
Nagalit ka kasi.
Nagagalit ba ako? Hindi nagagalit. Jeff Joseph, Jeffox, nasan ka rito? Happy birthday boy, third dinner Canton. Happy birthday, Mr. Thirdy. How old are you na? Sabi po ni Mr. Jeffox. Fred Di Macali, God bless sa lahat. Okay, muli nagsisipagliparan yata itong mga to. Okay, si Mendoza also watching. Si Maverick Valdez also watching right now. Thank you very much po. Thank you very much po si Puro dyan. Oy, babagay, nasa ka rin, hinahanap ka na rito. Okay, ito na, first quarter matchup na, of course, si Canton, the birthday boy, defensor, si Salado, si Bautista at si number 7. Sa kabilang po, dyan, si Spiritu, si Ilaw, si number 8, si number 19 at si number 18 at si number 19, si Air Barantes. Ito na po tayo yun. First quarter matchup now. It's on the way now in 3, 2, 1. Okay, on the way po tayo yun. First game for tonight. Saturday, live basketball action. A-Bishop and Davao sa Flying League. Ito na po tayo, number 19, Barantes. Barantes. Wala. Rebound battle by Francisco. No good pa rin. One more time. And one play. Sana, sorry. Di lang na ano. Di lang nabusdo. 2 points awarded now. Para kay number 8. It's Francisco. Number 8, Francisco. First shot. It's out. Second shot, Francisco. Jumpers ready po tayo. Maverick Valdez also watching right now also. And of course, si Dylan de Guzman also is watching right now. It's in. 1-0. 1-0. Okay, 1-0. Early lead now. 1-0. Airport United. Omas. Canton. Canton. Omas again. Omas. Driving show. Pops up. Malakas. Pero may foul. May foul. Sumabit si Ilaw. Nasabit. Nasabit. Nasabit si Ilaw. Omas as number 7 shooting for 2. It's out. Second shot, jumper ready po para po both sides po. Second free throw, jumper ready po for Qatar Airways. Aviation Services and rebound by Francisco. Nandiyan po si number 16, Espiritu. Number 16, Espiritu. Espiritu, scaling the defense. Ilaw. Ilaw. Nandun si Cardinal Canton at si Bautista against Espiritu. Pinasa kagad. Tap in. Number 16 naman. Number 16. Nandun si Cardinal Canton na naman. And Sumas. Bautista. 2 points. Sorry. Nice surplus play by Umas. 3-1-2. 2-1. Francisco. Palpal ni Isa. Pero may foul. Nasabit sa boss Isa. Sabi nito kay de Guzman, Richard, my friend, galingan mo ha? Okay. Richard Bautista, my friend, my friend, my friend. Okay, sabi niya. Okay, Francisco again. Francisco, first shot. It's out. Second shot po tayo. Jumper ready po tayo mga boss. Second free throw. Jumper ready po tayo. Francisco, number 8. Okay, it's out. Both baskets out. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Francisco, Barantes. Wala pa rin ho. Palpal ni Canton sa likod. Swat. Swipe. Swatted away by Canton. Okay, inbounding now si Ilaw against Bautista. Number 1. Number 11 rather. Molina, nope, it's Francisco. Uy, traveling doon. Traveling violation called on Francisco. Francisco din, Francisco. Good luck, AU, sabi ni Bisto. Bisto brother, good luck daw, sabi ni Bisto brother. Third dinner ka doon for 3, nope. Rebound battle 1 by, nope, the blue shirts. Kick, pass kay Espiritu, Espiritu, binabang bola. On the attack, Air Barantes. 2 points and 1 play made. And 1 play made by Air Barantes at 8:05 remaining. The score right is 3-2. Barantes, number 19, for the bonus free throw. Bonus free throw, Air Barantes, bonus free throw. Number 19, bonus free throw po tayo. Pops up. No good. Cesalado Isa. To Defensor, Defensor. Setting up the base, Defensor, Defensor. Nandun si Bautista pero nababantay ng konti. Hindi handa sa pagpasa ni Defensor. 7:51 remaining. I think medyo marami yata talagang kas ngayon. Nagdala sila ng maraming reinforcements at siguro at mga rest back talaga. And of course, si Ilaw now to Mr. Espiritu, muntik na manakawan, tumulina to Air Barantes, Barantes to Francisco for 3, no, rebound, tap in, wala pareho, to Bautista, nandun si Molina, Bulina, mali, pinasahan. Wrong good, wrong move. Balik muli po sa pulang bola. Cast ball po tayo to Mr. Defensor. Defensor setting up the pace na for Team Cast. Defensor scaling the defense. Pinasa ka kay Umas. Wala. Rebound. Espiritu naka-rebound. 2 on 1. Lost the ball. Hop si Daisy. Hey up. Walang papasok. Walang papasok. Walang papasok. Walang papasok. Both side po. Both side po. Both side, boss. Walang papasok. Huddle po ta. Huddle. Huddle po. Ben, first quarter pala, mainit na. It's getting hot in here, grabe. Nga eh. Okay, pag-uusapan ng referee po ito. Aga-aga. Okay, here's the verdict now. Both team representative is already being contacted now by the coach, by the committee. Sabi nga nga, Okay, may konting meeting na po tayo po dito. May konting meeting na po tayo dito. Walang papasok. Julius Babagay, magandang gabi rin sa'yo. Nasaan ka ba? Pambihira ka. Where were you? Julius Babagay is also watching also. Shout out kay kanino to? Ito na naman. Shout out kay Ropas ni Kasim Play the Game. Third dinner Canton. Magiging SPG na to. Okay, ito na. Jurex po naman si Al Ain Lim, sabi ni Babagay. At nasa Thailand pa po daw siya. Okay, here's the verdict. Okay, for information po, si Francisco ng Airport United and si both Defensor ng, alam mo na, ng CAS, DQ foul na po. DQ foul na po sila po, out of the playing court po. Kaya po, maraming salamat po, and we're about to wait na po sa consummation po ng game po ito. And of course, si Viva Max also, Albert, ito na. Sir, idol. Ay, case cut to. Thank you, sir. Dami. Bigat ah.
Boss Escat.
Sabi Escat, magaan lang daw siya.
Shoutout po sa'yo, Boss Escat, na kay Boss Martin na yung mga goods mo, ha?
Walang Diyos.
Ayun na, may ha?
Nautakan ako ni Escat. Kala ko, bagbag lang daw ah.
May pruweba, nagsabi na ako sa live.
Ito, mabigat din to. Ang bigat ah. Nautakan ako ni Escat to.
Shoutout Escat.
Babagay, mas maganda, wag mo nang alamin. Basta isang napakagandang pangyari lang. Maraming salamat po. For information po, number 10, Defensor CAS, and of course number 8, Francisco Airport United, slapped with a DQ foul already. Disqualification foul. Yun po. Maraming salamat po. And we're just waiting to resume again the playing po natin po. Maraming salamat po. Yan. Chill lang po ngayon mga sir. Huwag tayo mag-away. Diba, Mr. Marasigan? Wala na. Tara. Okay, tara. Okay, slap na sila. Okay. Away. Defensor tsaka si Francisco. Pag maabot, pero mas maganda DQ pa pare. DQ pa pare. Kuntik lang naawat. Pero gila pa rin. DQ pa rin. Natin mo yan.
Wrong out parehas.
DQ pa parehas. Okay. First quarter pa lang. Alam mo, sayang yung film ko. Sayang yung film habang nag-roll ako. Chill lang po tayo mga boss. Basketball is a good sport. Okay? Okay, ito po, okay. Antayin lang po tayo mga boss ha. Well, just about to resume the game po. Yes, Mr. Julius Babagay. Yes, sir. Oh, nagsishoutout si Julius, so Robas, tsaka Tigasin, tsaka ano. Tsaka... oh, yun nga eh. Tama yun, sir. Tama yun. Okay, kinokonsole lang po yung Airport United po as of now. Okay, for information po, defensor number 10 ng CAS, and of course, pati po si Francisco, number 8 po ng Airport United po, both slapped with a DQ foul, meaning po they cannot play anymore sa game na ito. Oh, siguro nga sir, bubukayin defense eh. Now, meron pa po, na-slap pa po ng technical foul po yung bench po, yung coach po ng CAS. Yan. Okay, resume now. Okay, game start again. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Number 9, replacing defensor. Dito lang po, of course, si number... Pasok. Of course, si number... Hindi, nandito na siya. Nilibing ko siya. Okay, of course, at pasok na rin po si Mr. Yan, si Mr. Number 11 po ng Airport United. Okay, tara. Okay, Kezaligan. Now to Mr. Espiritu. Espiritu number 16. Number 19. After this game po pala po, this will be deleted immediately. And of course, traveling called on Espiritu number 16. And again, I will edit immediately this video po. Maraming salamat po. Okay? After this game po, it will be downloaded immediately. And of course, this game will be deleted also sa aking FB page po. Yan. Thank you very much po. Just wait po. Omas, number 7. And to Bautista for 3. Malakas. And out of bounds. Ren Simonson, si Julius Babagay, mas mainit pa sa kalan. Bakit? Nagluluto ba kayo? Ha? Okay. Ito po tayo nyo, Mr. Espiritu again. Espiritu number 11. Number 11 also. To Barantes. Air Barantes to Mr. 16. 2 points. 3 points? 2 points only. Long 2. Sorry, long 2 po tayo. Third Junior Canton. Omas, number 7 to third Junior Canton again. Bautista, drowning. Malakas. Tap out. Again, 3-on-1 situation. Barantes, wala. Kick pass ka kay Ilaw. Binalik agad si Espiritu. 3-on-2 situation. 4-on-2 situation. Lost the ball. Lost the ball again. Barantes. Foul. Whew. Okay, change 5 na po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5. Change 5 po tayo. And Barantes number 11 shooting for 2. Barantes number 11 shooting for 2 po tayo. Barantes number 11 shooting for 2. Is out. Second shot, jumper shot ready po tayo. Okay, balik muli po tayo, of course. Second shot po, of course, sa ating pong second liners po natin sa airport challenge po. Si Aguilar, si Escobedo, si Barantes, si papalitan din po yan, si Kalilong at si number 11. Kabila po, of course, nandiyan po si Nunez or 17, si Hasselman Amampang, si number 69, si 15, si number 14, at si Olea number 0. Okay. Ating si Perez, muna ito muna pinapasok muna po si Perez. Okay, mamino siya baka pang second half po ng first half first. Okay, balik po tayo. Okay, Barantes sa basta po tayo to Mr. Bob. B-A-B Bob. Fred Di Macali, grabe yung free throw Mr. Aguila. Pops up, no good. Rebound, out of bounds. Okay, missed Olea is inside also. Mr. Olea, number 11. That's Mr. Di mabasa. That's Kizilgan. And now, number 2. Bob. Oy! Stepping on the line. 7-2 pa rin po tayo. At 4:32 remaining. First quarter action. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Mr. Amampang Hasselman. Amampang pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by the blue shirts. Bob, nagmamadali. Bob. Now, to Mr. Escobedo. Pasok ang bola. Escobedo, 2 points. Escobedo. Sir Martin Laberisto. Wala si Di Macali, yes. Naka-duty kayo. Ano magagawa nyo? Duty first before playing. Okay, Kisalgan, number 11. Kisalgan. Nawala ang bola again, Kisalgan. Okay, grabe yung free throw, Mr. Aguila. Sabi ni Fred Di Macali. Sir Martin, sayang, wala si Di Macali. Ay, marami pa naman po. Meron pang, after this, meron pang foul. Merong meron pang 7. 7 laro pa after this. Okay. Number 15, shooting for 2. It's in. That's Alvarado rather. That's 15 Alvarado. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Second free throw, pops up. Wala. Aguilar, binababa ang bola. Aguilar to Mr. Bob. Bob again for 3. Bang! 3 points, Bob. Nakatatlo. And Olea, binabantay ni Bob. And out of bounds. Olea, out of bounds. Bob, nice D by Bob. At 3:18 remaining. Aguilar, the lefty. Aguilar, binabantay ni Alvarado. Bob again. Bob for 3. Ayaw. Aguilar, binaki Kalilong for 3. Tapos. Number 11, Kisalgan. Naipit. At ano sabi? Traveling violation, sabi ng referee. Balik muli po tayo. Sabi, shoutout kay El Scott. Nanonood po ngayon. Pops up 17. No good. Rebound by number 9, Cas. Fresh 42nd shot again. Alvarado. Oy! Offensive foul yun, boss. Gumamit ka ng pinagbabawal na technique. Okay, using the shoulder. Using the shoulder against ang his guard. Kaya inibigyan po siya offensive foul po kay Alvarado. Now take kay Mr. Aguilar. Escobedo pops up top of the key. Nope. Rebound battle, 1 by red shirts. Binatuwa kay Amampang. Hasselman Amampang. Tap. Amampang again. Diving for the ball. To Mr. Olea. Olea pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound by Kalilong. Kalilong na to Mr. Aguilar. Binababa ang bola. Aguilar. Foul call. Take 2. Foul call. Take 2 po siya. Aguilar shooting for 2. First shot, number 2, Aguilar. First shot, first free throw. It's Kaldag. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. At 1:43 remaining. Visto, number 2, or Aguilar. Nando si number 9. Binatuka kay Amampang, Gasselman. Amampang. Op, si Daisy. Okay, Amampang using the shoulder but still blocking foul yan. Hindi siya kasi establish yung depensa niya. Not like yung earlier po, establish pa iba yung depensa po nun. Oh, enteng. Oh. Okay, teka lang ha, mukhang may meeting na naman ng mga referee yun. Scott, nautakan mo ako, alang niya ka. No, nautatin mo. Nautakan nung ni Scott. Sabi bag lang daw, sabi niya. Pero biglang ano to? Nanonood yun. Ano to? Kyoto something. Ano to? Kyoto coffee. Ano ba to? Pampaganda pa to. Oto, special barquillas. Habang live selling tayo, special barquillas, pakimain lang po.
Nanonood ba?
Pakimain lang, special barquillas, Ano pa to? Ano naman to? Draw. Sa pusa to. Dental drops. Okay, break tayo. Amampang shooting for 2. Amampang pops up. It's in. Pasok. Second shot, Amampang, jumpers ready po tayo. Carl Guillermo, shoutout. Sabi ni Mr. Babagay, no good. Binababa ni Babang bola agad sa Amampang. Bob, for 3. Nope. Dalawa kayo, sabi niya. Escobedo, high looper, no good. Amampang, pounded. Kick pass kay Mr. 11. Eye in the sky play. Foul on Bob. 12-4 pong score po natin, 12-4. 8-point still advantage being enjoyed by Team Airport United over CAS. And Amampang again shooting for 2 para kay Amampang. Idol, coach. Amampang shooting 2 po tayo. Shooting for 2. Amampang per shot. It's out.
Mainit nga sa labas siguro.
Mas siguro nga.
Matala ng init sa labas.
Second shot. It's in by Amampang. Okay, Aguilar binababa ang bola. Early trapping silang yon. Ayun! Balakas! Good ball. Amampang na naman. Binatuka kay Alvarado. Amampang. Driving show. Amampang. Dish of pass. Olea to number 11. 3 seconds. Nope. Foul. Foul called. Penalty situation, Team Airport United. Penalty situation at 39 seconds remaining, first quarter action. Number 0, shooting for 2, Olea. Out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo for Olea. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. It's in. It's in. Visto or Aguilar. Binapatay ni number 11, Nunez. Aguilar. Lefty, 2 points. Maging lefty niya eh. Protektado ng katawan eh. Okay, Nunez 17. Binababa. I think Nunez hindi ito Pilipino. Mukha pa na eh. And Amampang, Bishop pass. 2 points. Number 9, 2 points. Warning 17, Nunez. And now to Bob pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by. And wala na. First quarter is ended. The score right now is 14-8. A 6-point advantage now being enjoyed still by Airport United. Okay, live selling tayo. Oh. Ano ba to? Kyoto Premium Blend Coffee. Ayan pakimain lang po ha. Kyoto Premium Blend Coffee. Yan ha. Okay, this is brought to you by the following sponsors. Alam po natin po dyan, Thread the Needles, and of course, nandiyan po ang Team LBC, hari ng padala. Sambo natin po dyan ang PSB Basketball League. And of course, this game is being maintained. Its integrity, and of course, in orderlies po, yan po ang SPB ARA. Yan. Okay, ako, Referee Association. Second quarter na po ngayon. Of course, nandiyan po si Perez, si Mr. Dalida, of course, si Arnado, nandiyan po si Mr. Lumawag, the slasher man. And of course, nandiyan po si Mr. Rivera, ang kanyang partners in crime. Kabilang po, of course, nandiyan si Isko, si Molina, si number 16, at si number 11, si Ilaw. Yan. Tapos. At si number 20, si Mr. Bonus. Yan. Okay, binababa po tayo yun. Rivera to Arnado. Ito pa si Perez, binabantay ni Ilaw. Pops up Rivera, pasok ang bola. 3 points ka, pinako ni Rivera. Rivera, 3 points. Rivera, 3 points po tayo. 14-11. Binababa ngayon ni Espiritong bola to Ilaw. Espiritu. Ilaw for 3. Bang! Sirin! Binawi ni Espiritong. Binawi ni Ilaw ang bola. Ilaw, binawi ang Kalamangan kagad. Balik muli sa 6 po Kalamangan at 9:25 remaining. Rivera again ang kanilang and nandun nga still completed by Espiritu foul called. Dalida called for the foul at 9:11 remaining. 17-11 po ang score po natin. Second quarter action. Okay, Ilaw inbounding. For the inbound si Ilaw. Ilaw for the inbound. Balik muli po tayo kay Molina. Binababa ang bola kay Mr. Espiritu. Molina, binaba kay Ilaw kagad. Ilaw to Mr. Espiritu. Kick pass. Isko, kapos. And pulang bola. Red ball. Red ball po tayo. Amam Arnado to Mr. Rivera. Binababa ni bola ng Rivera. Binaba ang bola to Mr. Dalida. Dukot sila lang bola. Rebound by Dumawag, 2 points. Lumawag 2 points, Mr. Dukot. Okay, Espiritu again. Espiritu driving Shong. Pops up, no good. Rebound, Barawa by Mr. Lumawag. Nandun si number 3, si Bonus. Molina, foul called on Lumawag. Lumawag called for the foul. May jet lag pa yata. Kagaling ko kagabi daw yun eh. Okay, balik muli po tayo at 8-10 remaining, 17-13. Wala lamang pa rin po ng 4 ang Airport United. Molina, number 18, shooting for 2. Off the foul by Mr. Lumawag, number 4. Lumawag. Molina, first shot, no good. Second throw, jumper, ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumper, ready already for both teams. Second free throw for Molina. Molina, second free throw. No good. Molina. Molina, typical shot, wala pa rin. Nandun si Rivera. Rivera, binabang bola. Rivera, shot out kay Christian Tan. Oy! Foul on Scott. On Isko. Isko called for the foul. Isko called for the foul. Lumawag, shooting for 2. It's in. Nothing but net. Second shot, Lumawag. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo for Mr. Lumawag. Number 4. Pops up. Kapos. Airball. Okay, Molina to Mr. Espiritu. Anacleto is also watching. Pops up, 20. Pasok ang bola. Bonus, 3 points. Mr. Bonus, 3 points. And to Rivera. To Mr. Dalida. Ayun, lumawag. Bomba, may foul. Take 2. Lumawag, number 4. 2 points. 2 for shooting for 2 rather. Lumawag, shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. Second shot, Lumawag. Jumpers ready po tayo. The score rate is 20-14. Lamang na naman ng 6 ang Airport United. Second shot, in and out. Rebound battle by the Blue Boys. Espiritu, binababa ang bola. Espiritu, driving strong. Kick pass, Ilaw. Kick away by Lumawag. Okay, Ilaw is to Mr. Espiritu. Kick pass kay Isko. Bangs it in. That's a rare sight. Isko, 3 points. Lumawag to Mr. Dalida, Lumawag, dukot, wala. Rebound, Perez, labas muna daw. Arnado, top of the key. 2 points, Arnado. Top of the key for Lumawag, for Arnado, 2 points. Balik kay Ilong, bola, thinking 3, wag muna raw. Molina, kick pass, nandun si Mr. Dalida. Foul called on Molina. 6:27 remaining. Handaan nyo po yung second liners nyo. At 5 minutes, magpapalit po kayo. Thank you very much. 11 lang. Pops up, Arnado, kapos. Nandun si Lumawag. Rebound again. Lumawag, dukot, nope. Mali pinasahan. Espiritu, nagmamadali, mag-isa. Espiritu. And one play. No, traveling pala, sorry. Traveling violation called on Espiritu. Traveling violation called on Espiritu by the referees. Now 5:50 remaining. Uy! Lumawag, kapalpal. And nandun naman si Espiritu. Nandun si Arnado. Nandun si Perez to Mr. Rivera again. Rivera, palpal. Jojo Rensan San Rivera, pero hindi po pumasok. 5:30 remaining. Second liners, handaan nyo na po. Rivera for 3. Nope. Rebound by Ulilaw. To Espiritu again. Espiritu. Bonus for 3. Bang! Sidin! Nawala si Manson, pero nandiyan naman si Mr. Bonus. Sir Babagay, 26-16. Laman po ang Airport United ng 10. Halfway na po tayo para ng second quarter action. Palipir po tayo nyon. This time around po, nandiyan po of course si Aguilar, si Barante, si Kalilong, si Escobido, at si Bob. Kabilang ko of course, nandiyan si number 17, nandiyan din po si Mr. Canton, si Bautista, si 27, at si number 6, si Sila. Si Asinjo nandiyan din, Bautista nandiyan po. Okay na, 5:03 remaining. Okay, Lena, no good. Ayun, malalim. Foul called on Barantes. Okay, sabi ni Mr. Bisto, bakit kasi di ka naglaro, mga bossing? Ha ha ha.
24, takin 24.
24, takin daw. Salamat. Second shot, Bautista, jumper steady po tayo. It's a nothing but net. Nice shot by Bautista. Bautista. Ripped. Nandiyan po tayo. Ito po tayo. Ito po tayo. Lipad, boss. Parantes. Umupo sa ere. Pasok. Binatungada bola. Ayan na si Canton. Canton against Bob. Canton versus Bob. Bob, Canton. For 3. Nope. Rebound, Kalilong. Kick, pass kagad. Nandun lang si Canton. Nagmamadali kagad. Canton, Sila, malalim. Nandun si Escobedo. Kick, pass kagad. Aguilar. 2 points Aguilar. 2 points Aguilar kagad. 2 points Aguilar. Aguilar. Nandun si Bob naman. Bob, back-to-back field goals again. 32-18. 32-18 po. And Canton, third dinner, Canton, the birthday boy, out of bounds, pero may foul called. Who's foul rep? Number 17, Blue, Kalilong called for the foul. Canton shooting for 2 at 3:55 remaining. Second quarter action. It's in. First shot is in for Canton. Pambiran. Second shot, Canton. Wala. Rebound, pero one by Escobedo. Escobedo, binababa ka kay Bob. Mr. Bob, and one play made. And one play by Mr. Bob. Mr. Bob, yan po yung isa sa mga stalwart po noong 40s edition ng Doa Friendly. Yung larong Titos and Titas. Bob pops up for the bonus free throw. It's in. 3:46 remaining, second quarter action. Drawing to a close already. Canton, kumuha ka na. Canton paid away shot. Nope. Rebound by Kalilong. Binuka kay Bob na naman. Bob. Kay Barantes. 2 points Barantes. Oy, stepping on the line. Timeout called by... Whose timeout pagtawag? Timeout called now by Cass. The score right now is 37-19. A 12-point lead advantage, I think so. I know. A 22-point lead advantage, sorry po, ng Airport United over Cass. Yun lang, sir. So, okay. Sabi ni score, sir. Ang score po natin po 37-19, lamang po ang Cass at 3:23 remaining second quarter action. Sabi ng Biso, yun lang. Same duty. O, siyempre, nandito tayo para magtrabaho. Hindi tayo para maglaro ng basketball. Okay, balik po tayo dyan. Blue, that's stepping on the line si Lena. Takin ha. Okay, Kalilong now. Bisto. Sorry, si Aguilar. Ayun na, Escobedo. 2 points, Escobedo. 3:17 remaining. 39-19. Palpal. Hop. Good ball. 39-19. Sorry po. It's a 20-point lead advantage. Sorry po. 20-point advantage po. 20-point advantage. Uy. Kalilong. Canton. Sa ilalim. Malakas. Rebound Barwon by Hop. Red ball. Red ball tayo, Asinjo. Canton for 3, ayaw. Canton, pops up. Ay, now. Malas. Malibig pa. And Bob na naman si Bob. Bob! Walang pinasahan si Bob. Balik uli po tayo to Bautista. 3 on 3. 2 points Bautista. And to Aguilar again. Aguilar. 13-21. Top out. Top out din. Bob. Yung ay Bob. Still completed. Still completed. Foul called. 39-21 and 18 point advantage now still enjoyed by Team Airport United over CAS at 2:04 remaining po sa ating second quarter action. 2 shots given para kay Bautista. Bautista 24. Pumuputok. Pasok. Second shot Bautista. Di naman pre. Panlakad lang yun. Second shot, Bautista jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Both basket made. 16 point advantage. Still enjoyed by Airport United. To Mr. Bob again. Bob against Canton. To Barantes. Oy! Traveling ka dyan, boss. Billy Shen is watching. Canton. Hop. Still completed. And kay Bob to finish the play. Bob, 2 points. 18 Kalamangan. 18. Bautista. Nakalusot si Bautista. Lumulusot. Bautista. Pinasa kay Asinjo. No good. Rebound battle won by the Blues Boys. Binaton na naman kay Bob. Barantes, kapos nga lang. Third dinner Canton. Whoop! Bautista 2 points. Si Daisy foul called. Foul on Aricila. Aricila called for a foul. Bob for the inbound. Escobedo in and out. No good. Bautista. Diretso na yan. Bautista. Palpal. May foul on Aguilar. SGA play. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. 37 seconds remaining. At 41-25. Bautista, 2 shots awarded. Pops up. It's in. Lucky bounce. Second shot, Bautista. Jumper ready po tayo. Wala pa siya dito. Both basket made. 41-27. A 40-point advantage now being enjoyed. Escobedo. Ilaw. Aguilar. 2 points Aguilar, the lefty. $15 seconds remaining. Ayos na ako, boss. Bautista, palpal. Hop. Uy. Technical foul called. Number 90 called for the technical foul. Pumalakpak. Pumalakpak yata. Rep. Rep. Pumalakpak ba? Ah, flop. Okay, flop. Bautista, out. Okay, pag nag-flop po tayo, paalala lang po ha, it will merit a technical foul po ha. For information. Okay, Bautista also shooting. Take 2 kay Bautista. Take 2 kay Bautista. Pops up. It's in. Nothing but net. Second shot, Bautista jumper share di po tayo. A 15-point lead advantage still enjoyed by Airport United from the high of 20. In. Kalilong. Aguilar. Okay, that's it. That's it po tayo. Halftime po tayo. The score is 43-29. Brian Dwight is watching right now. Buksan natin ang ating wifi. No, cancel. Ha? Nakalay pa rin tayo.
Tayo nanonood no?
Kanina,
8,000 yun ah.
10 lang.
Atin lang.
Pero titingo mami niya. Pagkatapos titingo kagad, baka mami yan. Baka nakuulog.
Ha?
Baka nakuulog ka dito. Bibib ko kagad to. I-edit ko mo rin siya.
Yan. Diba? Wala naman. Hindi, okay naman yun. Wala yun. Hindi naman siya naging ano eh, yung talagang exaggerated na ano eh, di ba?
Oh, sige.
Kumbaga parang, ano lang, mag-a-attempt pa lang.
Okay.
Pero kung nagkaganon eh, malamang delete mo yun.
Oh, dito talaga yun. Okay, si Yorme. Nanonood po si Yorme. Yorme, danggabi po sa'yo, Mr. Yorme. I think marami po ang CAS. I think magkakaroon pa ng bonus free throws po ang CAS. Ngayon, papipiliin nila ngayon kung sino po ang magpe-free throw po para po sa CAS ng Airport United. time po tayo mga boss, ha? Half time po tayo. Okay. Penalty free throws po, I think marami po talaga po ang CAS. 1, 2, 3. Wala ya. Ilang ititira? Perez, ilang ititira? 6, ha? Okay, plus 6 free throws po para po sa CAS. Okay, that's it. Okay, after 6 na tira, shoutout pa kay Manson, Al Endim at Albert Dino Marasigan. Shoutout to, shoutout. Game. Barantes shooting for 2. Out. Ha? Out of bounds. 45-29. Laman po ng 16 na naman po ang Airport United. Amampang with of course number 15. Saan po natin po si Lumawag, si Rivera at si Asinjo. Idol. Oy! Palpal! Lumawag, palpal din! Ilaw! Nando si Barantes triple teamed. Nandiyan si Molina. And Ilaw again to Mr. Espiritu for 3. Ayaw. Espiritu driving show. Naipit ang konti. Aguilar lost the ball. Foul on Molina. 8:53 remaining. 8:53 remaining. Amampang, the hustle man. 8:38 remaining. Rivera. Nando si Ilaw kagad. Ilaw. Espiritu. Rivera. Ayun. Alaba. Nope. Espiritu. Pops up. Ilaw. Malakas. Barantes, pops up, pasok ang bola kay Barantes. Pasok ang bola. Amampang. Inalog. Naalog. Teka lang, meeting na naman. Okay. Nullified. Score is nullified dahil kasi ginalaw. Ginalaw yung ring. Inalog nila. Barantes, inbounding. Espiritu, binabatin ni Rivera. Kick pass, ayan si Amampang. Amampang, 2 points. Alam niya ang pasa. I think they're trapping now. Nagtatrap sila. Molina. Kick pass kay Barantes again. Okay, time out. Sabi niya ni Scott, nag-time out sila. Nag-time out ang Airport United at exactly 7:33 remaining third quarter action. $7:33 remaining. Laman po ng 16 ang Airport United. Inbounding si Kalilong. Depensa po Blue. Depensa po ang Cas. Amampang. Hop. Foul. Blocking foul. Blocking foul. Blocking foul called on kanino po? Kay Molina. Molina nga. Third personal foul po ni Molina. Amampang shooting for 2. 7:24 remaining. Pops up. Amampang. Wala. Second shot, Amampang. Jumpers ready po tayo. Basket made 15 15 Kalilong ayun Barantes no good. Barantes muli foul. Tropa lang yan. Number 11 Ilaw. Kick pass Espiritu. Ayan, Kalilong. Espiritu. Nope, it's Ilaw. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Bautista again. Bautista. Binababa na Bautista. And now to Rivera. Rivera, kick pass kay Amampang. Amampang against Espiritu. Amampang Espiritu. Amampang Espiritu. Kick pass. Pops up. Inside. 3-point agad. 3-point play. 3-point shot made by Alvarado. Kick pass kagad kay Espiritu. Ilaw fadeaway shot, no good. 47-25 at 20-point lead advantage. Amampang 2 points Amampang. 10 points advantage na lang AU. Kalilong for 3. No good Kalilong. And now, binabablo 6 minutes. Amampang na naman. Rivera! Op! Traveling violation, Rivera. Traveling violation. Escobedo, papasok muna para kay number 16, Espiritu. Kailangan natin ng mga rebounder muna ngayon. And si Bob din. Si Bob to break the trap po. The trap defense ng ilang Cas. Ayan na. Bob Escobedo. Wala pa rin. Canton. Nando si Ilaw. Bob thinking 3. Bob for 3. Bang! Sirin! Bob 3 points. From downtown. 50-37. Taglamig 3 kalamangan. 5:19 remaining. Third quarter action. 5:19 remaining. Ito po tayo. Hop! Amampang. Kick pass kay Canton. Pasok din ang bola kay Canton. 3 points Canton. Balik ulit 10 kalamangan po. Balik ulit 10 kalamangan. Ito po tayo yun. And to Aguilar. Muntik pa. Nando si Bob. Escobedo. Aguilar. Foul call on lumawag. Shoutout po sa mga legends. Al-Aindim at si Albert. Di na marasigan. Okay. Espiritu papasok muna para kay Ilaw. Of course, si number 17 ay papasok muna para kay kanito. Kay Amampang. Good play. Good game kay Amampang. Pops up. Aguilar. Wala. Second shot. Aguilar. Jumpers ready po tayo. So Olea also is already inside also. Olea is already inside. Okay, Nunez also inside already. No good. Rebound. Oy! Foul called. May tumulak sa likod. Number 0, Olea called for a foul. Bob. Aguilar. Bob, na yung mag-isa. Ito na naman. Bang! Sirin, Bob. Bob, 3 points. Ang pamatay sunog. Si Bob, nandiyan si pamatay sunog, Bob. Bob, na pamatay sunog. Ito po tayo. Amampang. Foul called. Number 2, Aguilar called for the foul. Amampang shooting for 2. Nope, it's down. 13 pa lang po for Airport United. 17 inbounding to Amampang. Amampang driving show. Bautista, naipit. Nandun si Escobedo. Ilaw. Ayan si Aguilar. Wala. Kick pass kay Bob. Nope, it's Amampang. Bob called for the foul. Sab muna po tayo. That's number 20 kay Mr. Bonus. Kay Aguilar. 4:02 remaining. 53-40. 14 po na yata po para po sa Airport United. 14 ball pa lang daw. 14 ball pa lang yan. 13 ball kanina eh. Babagay, magandang gabi rin sa'yo. Third dinner Canton for the inbound. Third dinner Canton to Amampang, binababa ang bola. Amampang to third dinner Canton. Inside. 3 points. Balik sa 10 na naman. Ayan si Bob, nagmamadali. Bob. Ayun lang. Bautista. Wala. Number 20 called for a foul. Penalty situation, Airport United. Lamang po ang 10 ang Airport United at 3:29 remaining. Bautista, first shot. Out. Second shot, Bautista, jumper ready. 3:29 remaining. It's in. Bonus, nagmamadali. Tap. Foul call. Again, penalty, Airport United. Nagtatrapping na po ang Team CAS against Airport United. And they're earning now the point now from the stripe. From the free throw po. Binababa po ngayon. Bautista. Wala. 9-point lead advantage by Airport United. Now to bring down to 8. Amampang nandyan din. Nagpapantayan yung dalawa. Gets out. Rebound battle won by Hellball situation. Red ball. Nice rebound by number 17. Molina. Pinasok muli. Si Spip pinasok muli. Again with Kalilong also and Parantes. Olea. Wala. Rebound. Escobedo. And nakibot kay Espiritu. Kalilong. Wala. Rebound. Kalilong. Jolens may foul. Kalilong shooting for 2. Siyam ang kalamangan ng Airport United as of now. 3:06 remaining. It's in. 10. RJ Masbang, the big man, is watching. Alas 8:10. Hoy, Dimac oh. Dimac, pasalubong. Dimac in the house. Hoy, Dalida, pasok ang bola kay Dalida. Dalida 2 points. 55-46. Barantes. Espiritu against third year Canton. Pick. Espiritu foul call. Grabe. Yung Jao gamit ang lupit. Espiritu first shot. Nope. Second shot, Espiritu, jumpers ready, 55-46 ang score po natin. 55-46, pops up. Pasok. 10 points. 2:40 remaining. Fourth quarter approaching. Shoutout ang sa backset na si Julius Mabagay. Eto na. Number 17. Pasok ang bola. 7 points advantage. Foul. 7-point lead advantage. 56-49. Penalty situation also. Team CAS at 2:23 remaining. Renzo Manson, 56-49. Lamang po ng 7 ang Airport United as of now. Espiritu first shot. It's in. 8. Espiritu second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Basket made. And substitution made na kanino? Ilaw papasok muna para Kalilong. Olea to Canton. Nagbababa ng bola. Nakuha ng pick. Pops up Canton. Pasok ang bola kay Canton. 58-52. 6 ang kalamangan. Kalil. Foul on Rey again. 58-52. 3 points si Kalun ni Canton. Bringing down to 6 points ang kalamangan ng Airport United from the height of 20 earlier. Espiritu. Second shot, Espiritu. Jumpers ready po tayo. Both basket made. Okay, lumawag. Papasok na para kay Olea. Lumawag, kinaka ng rebounder. Kaya nagpasok ng rebounder si coach. Nunez or 17. Dalida, Bautista. Op! Foul! Penalty situation na naman. Bumagal ang laro des free throws. 1:38 remaining. 60-52, lamululo po kalamangan ng Airport United. 1:38. Bautista. It's in. Lucky bounce. Second shot, Bautista. Jumper ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumper ready po tayo. No good. Rebound by the Blue Boys. Molina to Espiritu. Espiritu, ano muna? Rest back muna. Rest back. Canton, wala. Bautista, wala pa rin. Malalim, malakas. Still completed. Molina. Barantes, wala. Naku po. Masyadong adrenaline, grabe. Pito kalamangan. 60-53, 1:04 remaining. Canton again, squaring the defense for 3. Nope. Dalida! Wala. Lumawag. Labas muna. Nunez. Palpal. Wala. And blue ball. Hindi na check ng kalaban. Score, babagay. 60-53. Laman po ng 3 ang Airport United. ng 7 Airport United. Foul! Foul ng Bautista. Penalty situation again. 60-53. Laman po ang Airport United po ng 3. Espiritu number 16. Shooting for 2. Penalty situation po ang CAS and Airport United. Espiritu. Escat is watching. Wala. Second shot, Espiritu. Jumpers ready po tayo. 42 minutes, 42 seconds remaining. Pops up. No good. Oy! Early entry. Pito kalamangan pa rin. 60-53. Pero may foul also. 2 shots given kay Lumawag. The slasher. It's out. Second shot, Lumawag. Jumpers ready po tayo. Escobedo, Espiritu. Yun lang. Kisalgan. Di nasalo ni Kisalgan ang bola. Again, balik muli po tayo. Canton, Bautista, palpal, same ball. Canton, palpal, and wampa. Nice block by Ilaw. Swatted away by Ilaw ang bola. Foul ang Canton. Three personal po. Number 3 called for a foul. Kalilong shooting for 2. Penalty situation po ang CAS kanina pa. Kalilong shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot jumper steady po tayo. Second shot jumper steady po tayo. Wala pareho. Hop. Hey. Hinawak. Penalty situation again. Tumagal na penalty situation. Sagutan ng 17 Kalilong for personal fouls, 1 for graduate. Nunez or 17, 2 shots given, pops up. It's out. Sorry. Di ko na focus. Second shot, pops up. It's out. Rebound. Escobedo. Oy, traveling violation on Escobedo. 15-second shot na awarded. Bautista pops up, looper shot, no good. Dalida, pasok ang bola kay Dalida. 5. Down to 5. Nakalusot. Okay, that's it. Third quarters ended. After 3 quarters, lamang pa rin po ng 5 ang Airport United. 60-55. Dami din nila. Ma'am, yung anak nyo nasan? Uwi na kayo? Ayos. Mag-aaral na kasi, no? Mag-aaral na? Mag-aaral na.
Magulo pa dito kayo.
Tama lang yun, tama lang. Hindi kayo nag-work na lang kayo. Yeah, maganda rin. At least manang yung buhay Pilipinas talaga. Same din kayo? Same company kayo? Qatar Airways din kayo? Okay, thank you ma'am. Thank you po. Okay, Max Pink Candol is watching. Oy, Candol, ba't wala ka rito? Ha? Di ba dito ka? Okay, fourth quarter action on the way. Atake po ang Airport United. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a ball game now in our midst already. Okay, teka lang. Ay. Sorry. Hindi ko na nag-charge ako. Sensya na po. Mali! Rivera, Canton, 2 points, 3 kalamangan, Ilaw to Mr. Espiritu. Bob for 3, ayaw. Is it Scooby-Doo? And 1 play made, Scooby-Doo. And one play made. This will give him a breather. But still, 9:30 pa lang yan. Scooby-Doo. Bonus free throw coming up. Pops up. It's in. Lumawag. Ito na natin pinakamalakas nila. Amampang di Hasselman. Binababa ang bola. Robastica si Pebgay. Si Scott. Rivera. Hinahanap. Si Canton. Pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Canton. Nothing but net. Yun. Ayun na. Nakano. Amampang! Bautista! Wala! Tip top from behind! Up! Same ball! Right! Mami na, crucial kasi. Crucial, mami na. Crucial kasi. Crucial, baka maano. Mami na, crucial kasi. 4 na kalamangan, 63-59. Amampang against Bob. Amampang, lumulusot. Amampang! 2 points Amampang. Espiritu. Aguilar. against Canton. Aguilar. Ilaw. Espiritu. For 3. Tapos. Now. Ayun lang. Canton. 2 points Canton. Tabla. 63 all. And time out of goal by Airport United. This is a very good game now in the mid-already. Na-choke po ng bagya po ang Airport United sa kanilang defense ng CAS. Thank you pala po sa ating pong nanonood po right now ng ating 22 loyal viewers. Thank you po tayo. 7:54 remaining. Trapping. Mali, pasa. Lamang. Ilaw. Mali. Intercepted. Amampang. Wala. Bautista, wala rin. Bautista, 2 points Bautista. Foul! Graduate. Number 2, Aguilar, 5 personal fouls, graduate. Christian Tan. Grabe ka, Canton, sabi niya. Wala pa pala isang heli yun. Dalawa win yun. Tan. Grabe ka daw, sabi niya, Litan. Sabi ko ng Canton, Amampang against Bob. Amampang versus Bob. Amampang. 2 points, Amampang. Two points, Barantes. 4 ang kalamangan ngayon ng CAS over Airport United. 7 minutes remaining. Amampang, Dasselman, Amampang. Alvarado, Paksa, pumutok na. Bob naman. Sarili na. Alvarado na intercepted. Ilaw. Barantes 2 points. 4. 67-71. 4 ang kalamangan. 6 minutes remaining. Apat. 6 minutes remaining. Rivera. Amampang. Dasselman Amampang. Rivera. 16 Rivera. Nakalusot si Rivera. 2 points Rivera. Kalilong. Barantes. Pushing foul. Blue, white, red ball. Barantes, third personal foul. Anim ang kalamangan, 5:30 remaining. Wala kasi Christian Tan dyan. Bautista. Out of bounds. Same ball. Kalilo, lumawag, calling the shots. Isa, pinasok muna para kay Bautista. Of course, si Dalida nang pinasok din muna para kay Rivera. Fresh legs for CAS. Canton, Nope. Rebound, lumawag, fadeaway shot, wala. Rebound by the Blue Boys. Ilaw, Kalilong, binababang bola ni Kalilong. Barantes. Escobedo. Foul. 34 is Isa. Isa called for the foul. Kalilong for 3. Outbound. Amampang, binababawala. Amampang, palpal. Nice hustle play by Amampang. Blue ball. Red ball daw, red ball. Teka lang. Teka, chinecheck lang. Okay, the ball is red. Nice hustle play by Amampang. Hustle play by Amampang. Anim pa rin ang kalamangan. Barantes against Amampang. Amampang. Pops up, lumawag. Rebound battle by same ball. Did not capitulate to the rebound. Fresh 14 seconds shot clock. Manson, 67-73. Lamang ang angkas. Lumawag. Barantes, binabantayan. Canton, intercepted. Isa, out of bounds. Shot clock violation. Okay, pinagpahinga si Bautista. Dalita, papasok muna para kay Rivera. Isa also, pinagpahinga si Bautista. To give them a win again. Kalilong. Pops up Espiritu. In and out. White, red ball. Skante naman, medyo nauubusan ang hangin na rin. Amampang. 2 points Amampang. Walong kalamangan. Espiritu. Escobedo. 2 points Escobedo. Still an advantage ball game, pero Airport now needs to make the stop already. Necessary stop to play to be in the game. 3:13 remaining. Amampang. Pops up. Dang! Din, Bautista. Binababa ngayon po ni Mr. Ayan na po. Eto na si Kalilong. Rivera, Escobedo. Nandyan si Espiritu. Ilaw. Did not get in. Ilaw shooting for 2:47 remaining. Pops up Ilaw. In. Second shot Ilaw, jumper ready po tayo. 2:47 remaining. 2:47 remaining. Barantes! Wala pa rin! Op! Same ball! Hinalas yung Airport United. Kalilong for 3. Nope. In and out. Rivera. Ayun lang. Patos kay Bautista ang bola. Barantes for 3. Good ball. Ilaw for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound Bautista. Last 2 minutes is coming up. Depensa is the key, sabi ni Kristan. Last 2 minutes. Walang din naman effort yun. Rivera. Bautista still completed. Almost had it. No. Barantes 2 points. 70-79, 7 po kalamangan. 7 kalamangan, 1:24 remaining. They need a stop right now, right, for sure. Amampang. Non-playable character. Bob, para kay Barantes. 12 seconds to shoot. Amampang against Bob. Nakalusot. Walang pinasahan. 1:03 remaining. Baba down. Lucky break for Cass. Timeout Cass. 1 minute remaining. The score is 72-79. 57 ang kalamangan ng team Cass. Ang 72-79. Adrian Sos watching also. Halo ko tayo dito. Rapal. 19. Lumawag, number 4, inbounding. Lamang na 7 pa rin yan. Amampang. Bob, 2 points. 5. Yun lang, hindi na shoot. 74-79, laman ng 5. Bob must made free throws for Bob to keep them at play. Down. Barantes. Bob. Barantes, pops over 3. Take 3. Yun lang. Rivera called for a foul. Cylinder. Landing spot. Si Billy Siena talaga. Okay, take 3 for Barantes. 3 shots given. Barantes must made these shots to keep them at play. 3 yan. Sabi nila. First shot Barantes. Yun lang. Yun lang. Second shot, Barantes. Kaliwete rin pala to eh. Barantes sa lefty. It's in. Last shot, Barantes. Last shot, Barantes. Tropa-tropa naman din to eh. Last shot, Barantes. In and out. Rebound, Espiritu. Ilaw for 3. No good. Rebound again. Barantes. 2 points, Barantes. Dalawa. Foul. Foul. Cellphone ko. Penalty ba? Thirteen foul. Balik sa kabila. 13 foul. Must make stop now for Airport United to send this game to overtime at least. Ganda laban yun. Nanonood sila lahat eh. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood po right now. Sa ating 16 solid viewers right now. Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat. Ito, benta tayo. Magbenta muna pa tayo. Ito, who wants special barquillo? Ayan ha. Pakimain lang po sa main lang po. Pakimain lang ha. Joke. Ayan ha. Okay, nag-time up po kayo. 13 seconds remaining. 77-79. Airport United from the height of 20. Ngayon, dalamangan sila by 2 points ng CAS. Ang kabila tayo, ito. I think they will go now for the full 24-second shot clock. Nagtatrap sila. 12 seconds remaining. Amampang. Inbounding. Bob! Nope! Foul again. Penalty situation. Nakawala. Take the locks inside for CAS. Penalty situation, team Airport United. Bob, 4 na yan. Bautista, 24, shooting for 2. Bautista, shooting for 2. In out by 3 points. Kinakalan ma-shoot to. Si Canton binababa na kung sakali mag-pass break. May pangharang. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Bautista. No good. Bob. Barantes. Lost the ball. Minalas to. Nag-time up po ang CAS. 2 seconds remaining. Okay, using 14 seconds. Congratulations! Final score, 77-79. Winner by 2 points, Team CAS. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. See you. God bless po sa ating lahat. Thank you. God bless din.